the new Arcade Fire song. Okay. This is the verse. And then it goes to bridge. Chorus. So that's all three parts of Unconditional I, Look Out Kid, by Arcade Fire. So the song I think is an E, but it starts out on a B. So it stays on B a while. It's like one. The strumming for that, you're just going up and down. You're muting with your fret hand. So it's a two, you emphasize two downstrokes. And then you do chucking. And then you emphasize one downstroke. Pressing down and letting up my fingers, and that's how I control the muting. And then we go F after the B, just for like 2 beats. E for like 2 beats. Back to B. Does that 3 different times before it goes to the bridge. Bridge is a C minor to E. B before going into the chorus. The chorus is G sharp minor, E, B, C sharp minor, E, good strong song to practice your syncopated strumming on. You don't have to match the song exactly, but you just kind of have to have that rhythm. Okay, thanks for watching. Have fun playing that. Bye bye.